Hey friends, if you wish to enable the autosave option in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, here's something. First of all, I'll tell you how to do it in general. So click on File, select Options if you find it here. If not, then click on More and then select Options and then go to Save. And then you'll find an option here which says autosave files in the cloud by default in Word. So make sure that this is checked and then click on OK. Once this is done, you will have to turn this switch on for the document which you wish to be auto saved. Okay, and now if you lose this document ever, then you have to find it in the documents folder on in File Explorer in OneDrive. So I'll show you where it is. Just go to this one here, and then you can go to the documents folder here. Okay, so you'll find all the sheets and all the documents here, the ones which were saved. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.